We wanted to create a show like Eons long before this channel became a reality. We're a team of people who are passionate about natural history, and we were eager to share the fascinating story of life on Earth.
So, in 2017, Complexly and PBS Digital Studios teamed up to make this channel happen.
This past year making videos has been incredible. We're so proud of the content that we've made, and we're so grateful for the wonderful community that's grown around it.
But a channel like this takes a lot of time and resources to create. We need to pay for hosts, producers, writers, editors, sound designers, illustrators, as well as image licensing, equipment, and travel for field shoots, which I think is the most important one.
So now that we're a year old, we need to start working on ways to make sure this is sustainable long term. That's why we're launching a Patreon. If you like what we do here and you want to keep these videos coming at you, consider becoming a patron. You can contribute any amount, but specific pledge levels will get you some rewards.
For just $5 a month, you'll have access to a patrons-only activity feed. Plus, you'll get a sweet digital flair bundle not available anywhere else.
At higher levels, you can get your name listed in the description of every video or at the end of the credits.
You can even be a revered Eontologist, a title that we made up so we can credit you verbally in videos. Because you'll be playing a huge role in making Eons possible, and we want to make clear how important that is.
Our mission is to provide quality educational content for free, but these videos can't happen without funding. So if you can afford to contribute, you'll be making sure that this content exists for people who can't.
And if you're not able to become a patron, that's okay. The whole goal is for people to not have to pay to learn cool stuff and to share our enthusiasm about natural history.
We think you're awesome for being here, and if you want to help us out, then share our videos and let people know that they could be patrons of education.
If you are able to contribute, we can't wait to see you over at patreon.com/eons. The direct link is in the description.
Thank you so much for being on this journey with us. We think it's been an amazing one so far, and we're excited to see where it goes next.